Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Hello everyone and welcome on this stream. So we are trading. Actually, I'm already in a trade. This trade I was missed, so I'm currently in this trade named GBP USD. I'm currently trading this GBP USD, and I think there will be big moves coming. As you can see, the gold just broke above this order of accumulation or a pennant engineering of liquidity to the upside, and I believe the GBP will follow it as very well. And let me show you something more. There is a fair value gap in the hourly time frame here. I just hope I don't get stopped out in the midway. I think I will be stopped out here. This, let's color this gray. Okay, so let's come back on 1 minute time frame. So the market digged into this fair value gap, then it started to reject up to the upside. I have my stop loss placed somewhere here, 3341, right at this place. I hope I don't get stopped out after getting to 1:5 RR. And right now we are in this trade, so we'll just wait. Let's just wait and see how the trade will play out. We are back at 1:3 RR. My place trade will place stop loss stays as 2.5 something RR, and I'm aiming for 10 RR on this trade. This is a Thunder FBG, so let me mark it. Here we go. We are in a Thunder FBG. Sorry, we have taken a trade from Thunder FBG, and now I am waiting for next price move to the upside, a big price move. I may get stopped out, but it's okay if I get stopped out, and I will still look up on the price and see how it behaves even after that. Let's look at NZD USD till then. The NZD USD has given us actually it did give us an entry, did it? Yep, it did give us an entry, but we got stopped out. Let's just focus on GBP USD for now and see how the market will behave, if it will be going towards our TP or not. I hope the SL and TP is clear in my MT5 chart. There we go. I'm sure the market will go for 1:10 RR, and I'm not taking any partials in the way to the 10 RR, but I am willing to get stopped out at 2.5 RR in the break in profits. Let's see if I'm able to log into my PropFirms trader live account or not. I was not able to log in in the morning Indian time. So let's see if I am able to. Actually, they have a web trader now, which is awesome. Like literally awesome. Their web trader is awesome, and I can just bet on it. They have integrated trading view with their web trader, and I am really actually, so the unexpected error is still there, so we will try later. Let's try logging out and login. Yeah, it worked. The logout and login method worked. So let's see what we have here. I think the market is trying to go down. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, so the Nasdaq is preparing to move up, give a high move. Am I going to stop out in profits? I don't want to stop out. I want to go to 1:10 RR. So let's just wait and see how it will perform. Until then, let's look at NQ. MNQ, MNQ. So here we are. What could be next level of this? Is the inversion fair value gap, I think. Yep, indeed it is. This is the inversion fair value gap. And let's try to long from here. The forex market is being suppressed to the low side, and actually I don't have any clear setups here, so I'm not going to trade. uh, my setups are not clear. We might had this inversion fair value gap or breaker, but it was not clear as well, so I'm not clearing this asset. Let's look at MGC. Here we are with MGC, and as you can see, the market is going up. So if the gold market will goes to the upside, the GBP USD market will go to the upside as well, and we will win greens, and our trail SL will be safe. But we don't have any setups here as well. Let's look at YM. The YM is did it give us inversion fair value gap. I think this was the inversion fair value gap. Market never retraced back to this inversion fair value gap, so we can't say anything about it right now. Let's look at CL. MCL, where is MCL? Here it is MCL. So here we are with MCL, and I am thinking that the prices might go lower. It's better not to trade this session right now. In the futures, let's trade the forex only during this session. Okay, I am not good with this. Am I going to be stopped out? I could have taken the profit at 5 RR, but I will get only 3. Not, no, don't get stopped out, please. No, 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 no. Don't get stopped out right now. Go to the full TP. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Only time will tell what will happen. The 5 farad was done very easily, but it is having trouble towards going the 10 RR. That moment of extreme patience is just now. The market is being compressed, so I believe the big moves are coming very soon. We may get stopped out, but I believe we will not be stopped out, or that's what I want, maybe. Let's see if the market is able to break this high, low, high, this high with a body candle close or not. I just hope this high is broken out with high body candle close, and then we should be good to get after that to the upside. So we did get a body candle close, and now I believe the market will continue its trend to the upside. The patience is all that we need in this trading game. Come on, go to the TP. Come on, come on. I am not a good entertainer, I think. I should become a good entertainer as well. When the webcam, I will start the webcam, face cams. Then I will also become a good entertainer. We are at 3.5% right now. I mean 3.5 RR as well. I have reached 1%. I had also taken this trade, but as you can see, the entry was missed. I had to enter with this candle. Just when this candle had begun, I had to enter there, but could not, and I was distracted on some other asset, so I could not asset. I think I was distracted in gold, so I was not able to enter in this trade. Then after the market touched this hourly fair value gap and gave a 100 fair value gap, I entered with this 100 fair value gap, and right now we are in profits, and 3.5 RR is our profit right now. But I think the market can go all the way up to 10 RR because there is a huge sum of liquidity this in this price leg, from price leg A here to price leg B here, and I think all these liquidities will be taken out today before the market continues its rally towards the downside. So I'm betting on that, and I'm bidding on that. I have bid on that. Yes. So that's what my trade idea is. And about trailing the SL, actually I haven't, I don't have any specific reasons. I think just trade SL can be taken out. Okay. So what was this? This was not even any kind of. So I'm in a profit of $260, $65. And this is straight on cheating, brother. This is straight on cheating. Come on, funding peeps, you don't have to come up with such cheap ideas to survive. Hey, I think their name is just made up thing. They are just awkward. I have to complain about this on the X. As you can see, there is literally no there is literally some volume in this market. I think I can't blame these guys. These guys are just. What's this one? What does this mean, Kal? Man, Chris, thank you for the support, man. Who is this Ron Pono trading? Free trading community. Oh, it's a trading community. Let's come back at our MT5 and see if we can take any trades now. Nixie USD. I built a good buffer for the daily loss limit to take some trades, and I think I would should be good to take some trades. Phew. I stopped out at 1 is to 5 RR. I think it would have been better if I had taken the trade out. If I was out of the trade when it was 1.5 RR. Sorry, 5 RR. No stop loss. Market is still in accumulation phase. Uh, our gold. Mhm. Accumulation. Let's see how long this accumulation phase will go on. But for now, let's look at NZD USD. Will the market begin its journey to the downside? Let's see. The stop loss is taken out. Now this is what I'm aiming for. I will take trades to the downside from here only. The gold is moving down, so let's see if we can get any trades. I am hesitant about taking a trade here, but I will risk 1% for sure. I mean, the market is still in accumulation phase, but it looks like the market can go down from here now on. Let's see what will be my risk if I take a trade with this fair value gap. It would be $97. Awesome. So I can aim for 59 45 79 45 45 79, right? 45 79 79 79 79. Oh, it's giving a good risk to reward ratio. I think $700 in profit. Should I get on this trade? The risk becomes 1.1% total, and the reward becomes 7.6%. The time to think is over. Let's get into this trade. So now we are in this trade, and let's see if this one is respected and market goes down, or it will just stay in the accumulation phase and take me out. The short is calculated from this place. This uh, I mean entry is calculated from that place, and we are aiming for a whopping 7.63%. So now let's see if the market is ready to move to the low side, or it is still in the accumulation phase and I get stopped out. I think the market is still in the accumulation phase, and I'm going to get stopped out. Let's look at GBP for before that. uh, I think I shouldn't have spaced my SL2 all the way up to here. Drilling the SL here should have been better, but nevertheless, whatever happens for the good. And XAUSD market is still in the accumulation phase, according to me, because it is not respecting this 100 fair value gap. By the, what I mean by that is that the markets would have already went down after touching this inversion 100 fair value gap, but it not go down, which means the accumulation phase is still on, and I think I should lower my losses and get out of this position. But let's stick. And there but actually that funding pips spread system is really awkward and very bad. I just wanted to try them out, so I bought their account, but I here I'm seeing a very bad candlestick printing on their chart. Should I lower my losses and get out of this position? Let's just wait and see how it will turn out. Or maybe it is a loss, but it's okay. We are in profits for the day, so the loss will be cut from the profits. I'm sure if that funding peeps get a chance to stop me out, they will just stop me out with a brown candle. A new 30 minutes candle will begin in just 4 minutes, and I hope that doesn't bring gets back into the accumulation. I can just hope and nothing else. This will be my last trade in this London Asia session. Then we will begin again in the London session. I'm kind of chill with this stop loss because if I lose, I will lose from my profits of the day. So my daily loss is safe of $500, and then again I will have $100 again to risk. So that's why I'm cool with this position right now. But I'm also angry on them because they stopped me out falsely on GBP USD. Actually, I'm aiming more than 1 is to 5 for at this time. I'm aiming for a liquidity run on the gold. So I hope after all this accumulation, the gold will run towards this liquidity very sharply and very fast. So in 10 seconds we will start the new 30 minutes candle, and let me look at the 30 minutes candle how they are printed on the price chart. Okay, so we are in an accumulation on the 30 minutes as well, and I am not sure if the market is ready to go down yet. What if we move to the downside first? I would like to trail my SL as soon as possible. Mm, but I think the market is going for the body candle body first, then it will go down. So we might get stopped out because the new 30 minutes candle is up, and there the 30 minutes time frame the market is barcoding. Should I cut my losses right now? Nah, again the same thing. I am in profits of $265. I have raised only 1%, less than 1%, so it is okay if I lose this trade. I will get more trades in the London session and the New York session as well, and I can get trades in between as well, which I should not take. Okay, so it is going in. So the 30 minutes wick has been made. Yep, the wick has been made. Now let's see if the market pushes to the downside, or it will just continue its momentum to the upside. If we go for an is to 10 RR, is it possible? On 30 minutes time frame, it looks that it is possible after all this accumulation. So let's go for 1 is to 10 RR, but I don't think we will get in that profits right now. Let me move this to 1 is to 10 RR. It is 45.68. Just fall down from here. Gold, we have already accumulated like 31 2 hour for 2 hours. Okay, let's see if the low is broken out or not. There is the liquidity zone on 5 minutes time frame. All this area in the lower side is the liquidity zone. Market just wicks and goes up from here, and this is the moment of truth, if the market is going to go in our direction or not. It is wicking again, and if it goes to the upside again, I will just close my trade manually. Just look at 30 minutes time frame. Let's see if these wicks are broken. Yes, these wicks are broken. And now see, let's see if we get a candle, body candle closer below that. Okay, so the market is going in our favor right now. Okay, so let's see if the accumulation, if the market is close manages to close below this accumulation line. Next body candle will decide this. Next candle is trying to go up, and I'm still hoping for the lower prices now. A movement of heat, a lot of heat. Feels it looks like the market is trying to go back up again, and the best part about this is that we have a liquidity swipe. I don't think, or we have a liquidity swipe. Let's just see. No, we don't have a liquidity swipe of the lower side. If we got a liquidity swipe of the lower side, we might take a trade to the upside. Should I cut my trades right now, because the market is again going in the accumulation? I think I should cut this trade. Ish, 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 ish. I'm just waiting for a retracement so I can cut the trade in some discount. Cut it right now. So we have $174 of profit still now. That was a bad idea to take a trade here. Let the market come out of this accumulation, and only then we will take any trades. Let's look at GBP USD. Nothing. NZD USD still you don't have the swipe of this liquidity so that we can take a trade to the downside. On XA USD we did get a liquidity swipe, but this liquidity and the main liquidities that I am looking for is not swiped yet, so it's a no trade zone. here, and for the down liquidity I'm looking for this liquidity swipe here. Let's come back at GBP USD and see if we can get a trade. I think we should be done with the CSSN now, because we have already taken one trade, actually two trades, one win and one loss. The NZD USD is still going to the lower side. This is liquidity clearance. This is market structure shift. This one is the breaker, and I don't think the market is going to work with the breaker here at all. Oh ho ho! What? Which liquidity provider these people use, like funding pips? At least all these liquidities are swiped, and actually we don't have any trade setups right now. I might wait for the better time than to trade right now. Maybe waiting till the London session can work. Marima. Actually we can take this long and get like 1 is to 2 RR. But I'm not taking it. I'm not taking any trades in this accumulation. Nasdaq Nasdaq is ready to go to the upside. I think we have missed the trade. Let's go to our trading terminal. This is our balanced price range. The market has already touched it and is going to the upside. I think this is going to be the liquidity that it is going to towards. And let me change the asset MNQ. Okay, let's trade. Here we are. Let's take a trade from this price level. Copy price, control V, limit, let's say buy, but I want to place the order from somewhere here. The stop loss can go below this fair value gap. Let's take the entry from here. The stop loss can go below this fair value gap, and my exit will be here. Now let's see if we get inside this trade. 200 for 800 maybe. This one is good. Let's see if we manage to get a trade. So we are into this trade. One is to 4.9 is our trade risk to reward ratio. And let me disable this for now. All I need to make is just $200 a day to for 5 days to pass the first benchmark, and then another 5 days of $200 per day to get a payout. This is a balanced price range. Here we have, and let's do this light blue. So I'm currently trading a PropSub trader account. The link is in the description. You can get the best discount with code SMT. Let's just wait for the market to do its thing, and I'm sure about this trade that it will go to the upside. Let's see, get on the ticks chart. The volume is quite good right now. The 100 ticks chart is this one, is a 100 ticks chart. How much? So let's log this. I don't think we have a very big of a TP. We are at 26. Okay, so we do have a very big of a TP. It is a total of 80 handles, and 80 handles is not easy. We all know that 80 handles is not easy at all. Who trades tick charts? Like, there is literally nothing in tick chart that you can use to take trades. I mean, take good trades. Yes, yes, yes. Forever young, forever young. I wanna be forever young. Mhm. Let's see what we have here. We have a breaker, high low, high lower low, and there is our breaker line. If we get a body candle close below this, I'm going to close this trade. We have liquidities here and that I have not marked. Let me mark the liquidities. There are liquidities that market can attack on the buy side to where my entry is or my trading direction. There are liquidities where the market can go, so all I need to do is just have patience and stay calm. Mm-hmm. Nah. So we are watching this candle. If it closes below this line, we don't want any body candle closer below this, and we want the market to continue to the upside. So we have tools here, and we have community. We keep playlist. We have a copy trader in indicators or something. We have all the indicators here. We have, what is this, DD or something, quantity. Okay, we don't have any copy traders here, and I don't think there is any other place where I can look for a copy trader. Settings, what is there in settings? Oh, we have settings, language, time zone, table grid, toast notification, UI scale, time zone. I'm going to change this to UTC -4, New York. Now let's get back towards the platform. It is taking too long right now for the market to go to the upside. We have been accumulating for quite long now, and that line is our last line of defense. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Oh, so our last line of defense has been broken down, and now we are doomed to the SL. Forever young. Come on, get to the TP. Come on, give me full TP. Come on. This is where the market can reject from. Maybe this there is no fair value gap here, but there is then this breaker is what the market can deflect lower from. Let me mark this out. This is the outer block, or I say breaker block, that the market can deflect from and go lower, and that is what we want that to be invalidated. Ish, 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 ish. It is the moments when it is the moments where it is moments like this where the market is no more able to. I mean, the streamers are no more able to entertain a person. I'm waiting for like uh, 20 minutes now. I think this is going to be invalidated and we are going to hit the stop loss. But yet, let's just have hope. Do we have liquidities below? Yes, we have a lot of liquidities down here, and we also have this down channel. Let's take the channel parallel channel, mark it from here to here and do this. So we took a wrong trade here. So we are filled out, and today's loss is $172. Let's look at gold and see if it is doing something which we can take profit of. Yeah, we got stopped out. The gold is going up, but we don't know if the gold will go up more than this. GBP USD coming down, NZD USD. So we have a trade in NZD USD. I can go for 1 is to 10 RR in this trade. Right, let's go for a short. Stop loss above here. Target 1 is to 10 RR. I have to wait a lot, like really a lot in this asset for the trade to play out. I am taking $100 worth of risk for this trade. If we place a trade here, stop loss comes all the way up here. I can sell 6 lots. So I place the trade. Now let's see if we get the trade is executed or not. And we are aiming for $1,000. It is 1 is to 10 RR. So we are filled in, and I will update you later. Well, this is a relatively new model that I have made. We are still in the testing phase, but I am still taking a trade with this. I hope I don't have to regret this later. By the way, this is it for the stream for the day, and I think I can still stream for more 30 minutes. Okay, I will stream for 30 minutes more, and then I will close the stream. The one thing that I'm afraid in this trade is that the spreads get widened anytime we get unusual candles, and that is what I'm afraid of right now. Nothing more than that. I'm afraid or have any kind of tension about. Let me look at US 100. Okay, so the US 100 is going back up. Let's come back. NQ. Here we are with MNQ. So did we get a body candle close above this? Indeed, we got a body candle closer, but the uh, here we don't have any up candles in this price leg, so this inversion fair value gap is not valid. But if we get a body candle close above this high, only then we can take a trade, and I think we are going to get a trade because we have taken a lot of sell side liquidities, and I am willing to take a trade from here. So NZD USD is, we are going to the loss. I just think I don't have to like regret this decision later, that I'm taking a trades on the model that I have just not even completed the forward testing. Just don't get stopped out, bro. Please work as you did during the testing phase. I might have to be a lot patient. Might have to have a lot of patience to for this trade to run out, but at least run in the favor. So the market is at last coming in our favor, and now let's see if it will go towards the TP or not. Let me look at the tick place. Till then, it is market is still in the consolidation. I think I will trade the London session only on the tick place now. I will update you on this trade later in the London session. But for now, goodbye. I have really made a big catch. Was there a way to catch this move? Not really. There was really not any way to catch this move. There was no way we could have caught this move. Here, there is no way here as well. Well, bye bye for the session. Okay, Sumant. Hello, Sumant. How are you? Good morning. By the way, I'm about to close the stream now because I am streaming for 1 hour and 20 minutes by now, and I am thinking about closing the trade. By the way, here is my new model. I have named it Earth FVG. It is 1:10 RR model. So I have taken a trade with this for the first time on my live on my forex funding pips 10k account. Or I say my 10k valuation for the first time. I have raised 1% for 10%, and this asset moves very slowly, so one needs to have a lot of patience when trading this asset. By the way, I am going to close the stream now, and I will restart the stream at 12:30 a.m. Actually say PM 12:30 p.m. is Indian timing. So 12:30 पे फिर से I will start the stream again, and then we will talk a lot, and I will tell you about my Earth FVG. So bye bye for the session, and be safe, and we will meet again.